Yeah. It ain't nothing new. I'm tryna make an M at 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. I ain't nothing like you. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. You don't do what I do. I'm the living truth, the living proof. You could be whatever. Never wanted fame, I wanted racks. Always wanted cheddar. You could try and steal my swag, but I'ma always do it better. Never let them tell you never. I've been so locked in, I'm on the grind. I could do this forever.
So guys.
Oh, I know you! He's the ultra. Or is it your dad's?
Let me see the back brake, bro. Oh. What is happening? Oh, there's Silas. Silas is here. Bro, I'm trying to lose battery. Oh, make me sick. 7, 8. Dang! Hey, y'all want me to lead? Here, Silas coming behind me. Let me get in front. Y'all don't know where to go. I'm probably gonna get so much hate for being on the sidewalk, but it's the parents' rules. Y'all really gotta fix this GoPro, bro. The RTR is fast as hell, bro. That's impressive. The last video I was on my Ultra B. This video I'm not. AJ, I'm gonna go under the bridge. It's quicker. Yeah. Why do you... Yo! AJ! AJ! Get on the sidewalk! That's the wrong way! What is this guy doing? Yo! Yo! Alright, ready? No, you can stay here then. New spot. Be careful. Sometimes there's a cop over there. Sometimes there's a cop over there. Be careful.
Can we swap right now?
What?
Can we swap on that road right now?
Yeah, you want to swap right now? Yeah, let's swap cars. Just put the case in. I was ready. Yeah. If you find it. Is it that?
Yeah, it is that.
Yeah.
It's like
What the fuck?
Can we switch? Or are you liking it?
So you want to switch? You have a big enough.
Feels so much more smoother, not gonna lie. This place is pretty cool. We should low-key make a circle, like with our bikes, and then put his bike in the middle.
Bang bang.
Yeah, let's see this though.
Let us bang bang your bike. Bro, some people got shot in that bitch, bro.
There's hella glass in here.
Bro, you see that fucking bullet mark?
Yo, there's a freaking door right there.
and inside the house. Go in there.
No, but it's like hella booby traps.
Why are they running? Why is everyone running? Ouch. Right to my face, bro. You good? You good?
What?
Oh, no.
Like me.
Like what? It's good plate. It's moving.
Yeah, that's
You
how
get it.
2 minutes.
That's tough. Hey, get on, get on, get on. It's a shortcut right here.
Oh my fucking god, why did we stop?
What is this dude doing?
What?
Yo, you can't get...
Oh my god, he's gonna fucking blow up a landmine. Yo, he's biting to get chopped in half.
Yo, what are you gonna do, bro? Go under, go on. Oh, hell
Oh
no.
my god. Oh my fucking god.
We'll pick it up. Come on, come on. Let's pick it up.
Bro,
Got it? Look.
stop.
Pull it.
You got it.
Okay, guys.
Oh, it didn't drop. Ah, fuck. Thank
You
you.
good?
These dudes. We're going to my house. You wanna come?
No, I'm thinking.
Okay.